How to use LinkedIn to articulate your personal brand. LinkedIn provides you with the platform to build a resonating, impactful, and informative profile about you. Having a presence is so crucial to career management. Without a LinkedIn profile, your career progression and candidacy is severely limited. In fact, I will be bold. Without a LinkedIn profile, you are committing career suicide. Here are my 9 tips to help you boost your LinkedIn executive personal brand. Number one goes without explanation. Fully complete your LinkedIn profile. I see so many incomplete LinkedIn profiles. What message are you sending to a reader? Most likely a career decision maker, for instance, an executive recruiter sourcing talent. Use all the sections LinkedIn provides you and fill them up with text supported by a compelling 220 character headline. The more text, the more the Google algorithm will visit your LinkedIn profile for free, That alone will generate more traffic and allow executive recruiters to find you. Also include a professional photograph and customize your LinkedIn URL. Take those numbers and letters out after your name if you have them, because that's the default. You need to go and just have your name there. By simply having a professional picture and customizing your LinkedIn URL, you can boost the Google algorithm visits to your profile by a massive 1800% for free. And yes, it takes you 5 minutes, not even that. Number two, be active. LinkedIn is a tool to heighten your executive personal brand and strengthen your awareness about you. Don't be passive. The 3 pillars of activity are share content, create content, and comment on posts. Share your thoughts, your expertise, and your perspectives on trending topics. Engage, engage, and engage. LinkedIn boosts your visibility and credibility and provides the opportunity for you to gain recognition as a subject matter expert or thought leader in a specific industry or skill. Number three, network. I don't need to dwell on the benefits of networking, which brings huge value to your career management, your overall career management. However, don't network with everyone. Be very defined. Select your audience, be targeted, and be professional and courteous. Don't just press the button to connect with someone. Spend some time crafting that message, because its first impressions count. That will bring you rewards and a reply. Networking is also a two-way street. Give before you take. Use LinkedIn to expand your network. Number four, join groups. There are groups galore on LinkedIn. You can narrow groups down to function, to skill, industry, geography, etc. It's bizarre how many groups there are. Don't join groups that aren't relevant to you. Each group gains you access to discussions, new contacts, job opportunities, a venue for you to share your career goals, and if in career transition, clearly highlight what jobs you are seeking and ask, don't be frightened, ask for leads or ideas. People will give them. When joining a group, introduce yourself. This means you are joining a group within your area, and then you have an instant audience on when you introduce yourself. They'll read what you're looking for, and they'll decide whether they can help you. But make it memorable. Make that introduction memorable. Number five, showcase your accomplishments. Highlight in the features section your work, your performance-driven stories, your projects, and your presentations. Further articulate your accomplishments with as many metrics, either currency value or percentiles, as possible under each job title. You will be hired because you can perform and deliver, not on your job responsibilities. Number 6, maximize your search and ability to be found. Use industry, skill specific keywords throughout your profile, especially in the headline and the about section, to optimize the Google algorithms. The more buzzwords scattered throughout your profile from top to bottom, the better. However, don't go over the top. Fill the skills section, which now allows you to have 100 skills, but the magic number apparently for to get the maximum Google algorithm hit is 69. So these skills, should you need to play a game with yourself. Think about, well, if I was looking for my profile on LinkedIn, what business, functional, skill, level, industry, and sometimes geography specific buzzwords, keywords, business, functional buzzwords would I type in to have my LinkedIn profile come up? So many people leave that vague, or they have this mix it with soft skills, but it's a hard skill, a business skills section. So 69 allocated to this key section. If you don't have keywords on your profile, it'd be very hard to find you by career decision makers when they are sourcing talent like you. And I bet they're sourcing talent like you right as I speak. Number 7, be authentic, be real, concentrate on enhancing your reputation as a business professional, building and maintaining genuine relationships with constructive dialogue. When building your network, it's quality connections over quantity. But the more you have in your LinkedIn network, the more beneficial it will be for you. Number 8, use LinkedIn newsletters. A little known tool on LinkedIn is the newsletters, which can swiftly expand your personal brand and your impact. A newsletter, similar to articles, provides you with the opportunity to communicate with all your followers directly into their email. Newsletters mean that you can demonstrate that you really know your stuff and that you can be valuable to people for potential clients doing their research on service providers, etc. It's a great way to stay in contact with your connections with consistent delivery of long form, in-depth content by subscription. Embracing newsletters can sharpen your position as a thought leader with insights. Number 9, participate in LinkedIn Live or other lives. Have you ever hosted a LinkedIn Live? Think about it. If you're a subject matter expert, you could go on LinkedIn Live, and it's for free. You have to use third-party tools like StreamYard or a couple of other tools, but it's well worth it. And so you can ask, not if you want to host it, you can ask to be a participant on a LinkedIn Live within your realm of expertise or interests. Live are an excellent venue for you to share your knowledge and strengthen your knowledge gathering. Ignoring LinkedIn, in my professional view, is one of the worst career decisions you will make. It's free unless you decide to upgrade. By adopting and being active on LinkedIn, you will boost your reputation, your personal brand, and establish you as an industry leader and a candidate for a position when executive recruiters are building their talent pool. Are you now going to elevate your LinkedIn activity? There's a challenge for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Martin Buckland, where you will find a vast array of videos encompassing all facets of executive career management.